creative people out there. Welcome to another video tutorial of everything creative, practical, unique, hand-spun decorative design. My name is Leovi and I'm the owner of Living Art Anthropology. Francoise is a European floral designer with a unique, innovative, and trademark with regards to her floral arrangements. And one of her trademark is the creative botanical sculpture such as her woodland texture design. In this tutorial, I'm replicating such design using hardy live plants such as your succulents and low maintenance inside plants. The vessel I use is a log. I did not show how I drilled the log because I used this in my other previous project and have not taken any videos at all at that time. My apologies. But basically just using your drill with your wood drill bit and making the hole. I drilled the entire horizontal length of the log, but unfortunately I haven't foreseen that I also removed the entire side of the log. So I reinforce it with chicken wire so that the soil doesn't go over and spill. I lined it up using a non-slip waterproof shoe cover fabric so that the water doesn't leak to the wood, and secure it with a manual staple gun. Fill up my vessel with around 1/3 of the soil as I slowly introduce my plants. I use cactus succulent soil mix for this project. Aside from the succulents are the Peperomia caperata, the Muscari arminiacum or the grape hyacinth, and the cyclamen. So basically the way I choose my plants, it has to be low maintenance and hardy. arrangements, I prefer to have some height, which the grape hyacinth is for, and some low-level coverage such as succulents and the peperonia caperata provides. And I also want some colors, which is why I've included the cyclamen. This project is perfect to decorate your tables, and because it's low maintenance, you just spray it with water. Don't forget to spray with water once done and give it a good soaking. So I hope you've learned something in this tutorial or gives you an insight on your next project. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for notifications for future videos. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Etsy. Bye for now.